Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create Zillow.com online account. Zillow is one of the most popular websites for buying, selling, and renting real estate properties. Creating an account on Zillow will help you to keep track of your favorite properties, receive alerts on new listing, and stay updated on real estate trends. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, let's start by opening whatever browser we are going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have in your computer, such as Google Chrome, Opera, Brave like me, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or if you are a Mac user, Safari, or any other browser that you could have. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section, simply type zillow.com and hit the enter button. Once you are here, simply as you can see, this is going to be the home screen or the main screen of the app. You can buy, rent, sell, or home loans and agents finder. As you can see, you will find a lot of stuff that you can do here. You can buy a home, you can sell a home, or you can even rent a home. You can see your options from here. And of course, you can enter an address, neighborhood, city, or zip code to search about a home that you want to rent, as an example, or buy, or something like that. But of course, what we care about is simply clicking on sign in at the top right corner. Once you click on it, as you can see here, you can, if you have an account, you can simply enter your email, password, then click on sign in. And if you forgot your password, you can click here so you can receive it. Or you can log in into your account with Apple, with Facebook, or even with Google. If you don't have an account, you can simply click on new account, and here you will have to follow this instructions. Simply, it's going to start with your email as an example. So let's enter an email here. It's going to be something like this. Then let's just create a password. Of course, the password, as you can see, at least 8 characters, mix of letters and numbers, mix of uppercase and lowercase, and at least one special character. So let's just do this. And as you can see, my password is good. So if you are a landlord or industry professional, make sure to check this button. If you are not, don't do anything. And of course, if you check this button, as you can see, you will have to add some professional information such as professional type. As an example, we have here real estate agent, broker, mortgage lender, home improvement service, landlord, photographer, home builder, home inspector, property manager, and other real estate professional. So choose whatever suits you. Then you'll have to add your first name, last name, zip code, then the phone number. Then simply click on continue, or instead of filling all of this manually, you can simply connect with your Apple, Facebook, or Google if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating your account. For me, I'm just going to check this because I'm not a landlord or industry professional. Then I can simply submit. And here you are. I will even save this option so I don't have to log in into my account whenever I get here. And as you can see, I actually have an account. Now I can simply click on account settings and I'll be able to change my profile. As an example, I can change my name, my screen name, I can add a photo, I can manage some reviews. Or for me, as you can see, the email is unverified yet. So let me verify the email real quick. It should not take a lot of time. Right away here. And as you can see, welcome home. It does not matter if you're buying, renting, selling, or just dreaming. We want to help you find your way home. Here is how to make the most of your Zillow experience. So you'll have to download the app if you want to verify your email, or you can simply go back to Zillow and then click on verify, send verification email. And as you can see, they send the verification email. So we'll have to wait a bit until they send it. It should not take a lot of time. As you can see, they send me the email. Click on verify your email. And here we are. We will have your email is now verified, and we will have a verified email. Let's just even close those two tabs now. And as you can see, we can even now, my email is verified, so I don't have to worry about anything. Now I can change my password as an example. I can enable this 2 steps verifications to make my account extra secure. Along with your password, you will need to enter a code that we text to your phone each time you sign in, so you don't get hacked at all. Even if they know your password, you can change it, or they will ask them for the code that they will send to your phone. Of course, you can even deactivate your account as an example, and you can go to the privacy portal to know the privacy and policy of buying or renting or selling on this application. So of course here now we just go back to the home screen. Of course, as they said here, you can buy home for sales, you can buy foreclosures, for sale by owners, open house, new constructions coming soon, recent home sales, all homes, buyer's guide, foreclosed center, real estate app, down payment assistance, and here you can rent as you can see. Rental buildings, apartments for rent. If you are searching for rental, of course, house for rent or rental listing or rental build buildings. And if there is the rental hub, also you can contact the rentals, your rental messages or resources for WT calculator or rental guide. You can sell also resources, explore your options, see your home's estimate, home values, seller's guide, or selling options, find the seller agents or post for sale by owner. As you can see here, there's the home loans, there's the shop mortgage, calculators, resources, and you can even find an agent if you want. If you're looking for pros, there's a real estate agent, home improvements pros, home builders, real estate photographers, property managers, home inspectors, other pros. So if you don't want to do anything by your own, you can always hire some pros to do everything for you. And if you are a pro by your own and you want to do this for other people, you can register for them here. As you can see, if you are agents advertising or agents for source resource center or create a free agent account, you can real estate business plan, real estate agent script, or listing flyer template. So here's an example. Let's say an example. I don't know. Let's just enter a location here. Let me just get a location as an example. Just paste it here. And let's say here. Of course, once we type this address, we get here that we have a lot of houses here. So we can simply contact the agents, and as you can see, that's going to be the price of the house with 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. As you can see, it's a full bath, and we have here 1050 square feet. Of course, this house is at this address exactly, and it's for sale, and you can even get a pre-qualified if you want. Of course, you can here see the features of the house, the overview, the location exactly, the travel time. You can contact the agents, the price and tax history, and you can find nearby houses as well or similar homes. So that's going to be a normally it for on how to create your account and know how to even use your Zillow website. So that's it. You've successfully created, of course, your Zillow online account and you know how to even use this website. Now you can start searching for your dream home, save your favorite properties, and stay up to date with the latest real estate news. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching again, and I will see you in the next one.